Let me call Freddy's and I'll call you right back.
That was our stash.
I did not your radio stash.
Those grass represented a bond of trust between us.
Foster, I had no...
No, God, no, keep doing it.
No. How could you even say that?
Because you crapped on my heart.
I what on your heart?
What are you getting out of this? Is Grady putting you on the road? No, are you...
I should call Kelly back. Oh wait, I gotta call Freddy. Jeremy is not outside yet. What the hell? Jenny said she's been sitting there for like 3 songs.
What the fuck? Traitor! Hey, Beth, did it work?
Oh, whoa! Snapping in my face is not cool, dog.
Was there ever a moment you suspected it? No, I wouldn't.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Why use your head when you can be getting some cop-on-cop fucky-sucky?
Well, did you tell her anything?
Two cops sleeping together, what the hell do you think they talked about?
You know, doing it, positions and stuff.
Shut up.
Doing it? Positions and
Get
stuff?
it through your head, fish dick, she was in on it. Fuck you, man.
All right.
Jeremy!
Foster, she played you could have called the honey pot. She'll know better.
Shit.
Well, I guess I'm going to shut us down anyway. But you two are friends, you know? You shouldn't let this come between you. Come on now, shake hands. Hey. Good night.
Hey, did he come out yet?